coordinator?
I'm the one who
Photographer?
films the videographer for weddings. Every
Eh,
week
si
we have
Nadine?
weddings.
Yeah, planner.
Wedding planner.
So may shooting din ba kayo outside the country katulad sa...
Ganun yung tinanong namin.
Yes.
Saan?
Ito ba yung pinakamatagal ng hindi pagkikita? Performance.
I don't know if I can
Ito yung
say.
4 days na yung ganyan kasama.
Can I say?
Hindi po.
Pero parang
What's
hindi
that?
po yata.
Kailan kayo mag-i-start ng ano?
Start shooting?
Oo. August. Kailan ang airing niya?
September.
Sinong director? Si Antoinette.
How do you feel about working with Direct Antoinette again for the teleserye?
Very happy.
Kasi yun naman po, kasi may pagkasabat po.
Very happy because we're so used to working with Dr. Net. Our trio works very well.
Wala ka namang fear na overexposure since sunod-sunod yung mga project
Love sa'yo sa kanya. Siyempre iba yung
Naman, I mean, maganda naman yung projects namin, upcoming projects. So, excited.